it's been a while. How are you? Hope you're well. Today we're doing something quite beautiful, but first I'll need you to subscribe. So first off, I'll start off with packing my hair. And I'll section this front part of the hair. Make sure it's well sectioned. Then I braid it. When I'm done braiding, then I pack the remaining parts. You can use anything at all. I use kinky hair that I use to just pack the hair. I'm just going to use kinky and cling it to the hair and tie it all around so it will have a firm hold. I'm going to use this and tie it all around so it will stay firmly. Guys, as you can see, I'm really tying it in so it will give me what I want. Then I'm going to use a bobby pin to hold it. Then I'm going to add another kinky. I'm just going to keep adding kinky because I want it to be full. I want it to be slightly long, full and comfortable. So I'm going to use my petals gel and just apply it all around. I love using petals gel because of how it really sticks to my hair and gives it a black, beautiful lay down hair. I'm going to use my comb to let it slick in, you know, just adding the extra ones that out. So now I'll use my breezy brush. Comb the whole hair 360 so it will be smooth and beautiful, right? But guess what, we're not done. I want it to be round, full and big in a way, so I'll just keep adding kinky, you guys. And as you're adding, make sure it's giving you what you want because we need it to be a certain way and a certain type. This is actually a really simple hairstyle and it's easy to do. I'm going to really lay down my edges and then I will have to lose this front part. I would lose it, braid it, and I'm going to use a kinky and just give it a twist in the front. I want it to be big, so I'll keep adding it. This is a very simple hairstyle like I told you, and it's something that you can try. You can actually style it anyhow you want, depends on what you want and how you want it. So I'm going to section the other parts and then twist it as well. Mind you, when I section, I twist, I add because one, it's not going to be enough, so you just have to keep adding it. Going to add this and twist, then add and twist until we are done. So as you're twisting, you guys just enjoy the process because you're also learning how to twist with kinky. So I'm all done because I have to do the other parts of camera, and as soon as I'm done, you guys see what I'm going to do here. I'm going to hold the tip and roll it this way. Hold the tip and just keep taking it in a circle. You just keep rolling it and rolling it and rolling it to a desired length. So I just kept doing this until I was done. Then guess what comes after this? We're going to use our bobby pin and So as you're using the bobby pin to make it hold and stay firm, you also have to be styling it so it wouldn't give us a certain shape that we don't want. So we're going to be doing this process until we are done. This is my Kaimer edge control. I'm going to use this to style my edges. Of course, you know this was coming. This is me accessorizing the hair. Oh my god, you guys, let me know what you think about this. This is a very simple, easy, budget-friendly hairstyle. So if you haven't used kinky, you can actually try this. It's beautiful. And use any accessory at all to do this. This hairstyle took me only 15 minutes. I kid you not. 15 good minutes. And just find your accessory, you know, style it anyhow you want. You can use this for weddings, for parties, birthdays, regardless of anything. I love this look and I live for it, trust me. So let me know in the comment section if you like this look. Let me know if you're trying this and I'll do well to respond. Until next time, bye bye.